this thing should be bury one of this, and then keep moving from there up. Oh, this one here, this is an old timber wall. We're gonna be removing it. We're gonna take it out. We're gonna repair with a block. It's gonna be essentially the same thing, just block in the front, and we're gonna do a little curbstone right here, and it's gonna be the same height, same length. I think in here what it fell is it was not dig out enough. It was not properly installed. I can see it's up in the air right there.